YouTube is changing fast. More creators, more competition, but guess what? Some YouTubers are growing 10 times faster than others. Their secret? AI. AI is not just a trend, it's a game changer. And if you're not using it, you might be working too hard, or worse, getting left behind. What if I told you AI can help you make videos faster, create viral thumbnails, and even bring more views, while you do less work? Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to use AI to grow your channel, step by step. Let's break it down. AI isn't just for tech geniuses or big companies. It's for you. Whether you're struggling with ideas, editing, or keeping your audience hooked, AI tools can help. But here's the thing, most creators don't even know where to start. That's why I'm here. Let's dive into the 3 key areas where AI can transform your channel. First, let's talk about content creation. Coming up with video ideas can be exhausting. But with AI tools like ChatGPT, can brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, and even suggest trending topics. Imagine having a creative partner that never sleeps. Best part, it helps you brainstorm video topics based on what's trending or what your audience is searching for. Imagine never running out of ideas again. Just type in your niche, and boom, AI gives you a list of topics that are proven to grab attention. But that's just the beginning. Next up, editing. Editing videos can take hours, even days. But AI-powered tools like InVideo can cut your editing time in half. These tools can generate AI videos with just text, and transform your imagination into eye-catching videos. Yes, it automatically adds voiceovers, captions, and even suggests the best clips to use for your video to look outstanding. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. Just type in your text and boom, your video is ready. See how good that video was? That's AI doing the work for you. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. Now, let's talk about audience engagement. You could have the best content in the world, but if no one sees it, what's the point? AI tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ analyze your videos and suggest the best tags, titles, and thumbnails to get more views. They even tell you the best time to upload. Look at this channel's growth after using AI for optimization. That could be you. But here's the thing, AI isn't just about saving time. It's about staying ahead of the game. Think about it, your competitors are probably already using AI. If you're not, you're falling behind. The question is, are you ready to level up? So, what's the first step? Start small. Pick one AI tool and try it out. Maybe it's for brainstorming ideas, or maybe it's for editing. Once you see how much easier it makes your life, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. AI isn't such a big deal? Because it levels the playing field. You don't need a huge team or a massive budget. With the right AI tools, you can compete with the biggest channels out there. But here's the secret, it's not just about using AI. It's about using it wisely. And here's the best part, AI is constantly learning. The more you use it, the better it gets at helping you grow. Also, AI isn't just the future of YouTube, it's the present. And if you're serious about growing your channel, it's time to embrace it. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools today, and watch your channel go viral. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips like these. See you in the next video.